In this video, we are going to see that if we want to change the video category of a specific video on our YouTube channel just because we see that it is not suitable category for that specific video or maybe for the bulk videos, here's how we can easily do it. First, let me show you how we can do it for a single video, and then I'll also show you how we can do it in bulk. First of all, head over to the YouTube Studio, click on the content section and open that specific video that you want to change the category for, and scroll down until you see this category. Now this is set to education. Let's say I want to change it to how to in style. I save it, and that is how we do it for a single video. Now if we want to do it in bulk, head over to the content section, click on the video selection from the top, but this will only select 30 videos that is available for a specific page. If you want to select all of the videos across the channel, you click on the select all, and after that we click on edit and select category, and from here we want to change it all to how to in style. Click on the update videos. I understand the implication, and click on update videos. Now obviously this will take some time because this is the update in bulk, so after some time it should be updated. This totally depends on the number of videos you have. So it says 188 videos successfully updated. Let me just open one randomly just to check that if it has successfully made that change or not. We scroll down and we can see the category is changed and replaced to how to in style for all of the videos. So that's how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.